About 12 hours later, from the time we took delivery, officers in A District had responded to Mercy Hospital for a missing person. Initially, all the information was not completely clear, but a short time later, it was brought to our attention that this was a missing vulnerable person, someone that fits in the category of some disabilities that they walked out of the hospital on. Last witness shows that the individual walked into Kaz Park. If we recall, it was cold, it was snowing, definitely freezing temperatures. That activates a different type of response from our department, getting out and setting up a command post and making sure that we cover all bases. We have a creek that runs through there, a Casanova Creek, brought out a lot of dangers in that kind of temperature. We just took delivery of that drone. We deployed the drone. It was driven down there. It was driven behind the pool area. The drone was launched, and using infrared capabilities within the matter of a couple of minutes, they were able to identify an anomaly, a heat source through that infrared that led one of our drone operators to walk directly to that path, and we located this missing vulnerable person who was, I'll say, hunkered down on the ground with some leaves and was beginning to be covered with snow. Immediately got an ambulance, were able to walk him out of there and get him the aid that he needed. We may not have found that individual in time. Within 12 hours of taking delivery of this new tethered drone, it already proved its effectiveness. So, a lot of discussions on drones. We want to make sure that, they're used responsibly, but there also is a life-saving mechanism to drones and how effective they are, and that proved its effectiveness right off the bat.